Coming up next, we explore Bowman Bay.
It's really chilly right now. It's nothing like the beaches in Philippines.
Relax and listen to the coast of Washington State.
Yeah, boy.
Ooh, there's like
Did
some
a little
seaweed.
beach combing and explored what was on this beach.
I wonder if that's edible. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. Let me grab it. Right here. You know what? I bet that'll be good with some patis and some tomatoes. You never know. Smells just like the sea.
We visited Bowman Bay for lunch.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, it's Chi and we're here at Anacortes, one of the beaches here, the coastline of Washington. Beautiful.
In 1977, it was given its current name in honor of Amos Bowman, an American settler of a nearby Hidalgo Island.
It's really chilly right now. It's nothing like the beaches in Philippines. Here in the beaches here in Washington State, it's a lot rocky. Let's go ahead and take a look at the coastline. Instead of the sounds of oceans, we have the sounds of seagulls. If you ever watch one of those shows, those seagulls say mine, mine, mine. Oh, I think that's with Nemo. One of those cartoons. It's super relaxing though. If you kind of just stand still and listen to the water come up. Sounds of nature. A lot of birds, seagulls, the nice water hitting the coastline. And the kids playing. Let's go and explore and see what this kind of looks like a pier. I wonder if it was connected at one point and it just broke off and now it's just sealed. But it's probably an old fishing pier. Probably a storm hit it. Who knows? Let's go take a look. Yeah, look at that. It just clearly got cut. But the thing is, it doesn't look like it's been cut like a normal break. Unless they cut it for safety. Who knows? But this one though, this one looks like it got shredded. So we have a lovely coastline. Kind of snakes all the way out there. These are the things that I never explore. I live in Washington State, well, namely around Seattle area, but I don't explore much of my state. But it is beautiful when you get out here. I need to do more exploring. Maybe I should start doing a series on Washington State. Might as well, right? I live here. Ooh, there's like some seaweed. I wonder if that's edible. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. Let me grab it. Right here. You know what? I bet that'll be good with some patis and some tomatoes. You never know. Smells just like the sea. So I'm not going to explore the rest of the beach over here, but it goes from way down there all the way to another kind of like a inlet that way. Absolutely beautiful. So this is a quick vlog of this beautiful beach. I'll name it right in the beginning and talk about it more later. Whoa, it says that there's a lighthouse there. Really? There's a lighthouse? I don't know. I'm curious to walk, but I'm with other people, so they might say that I'm gone. But we'll explore next time. So if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. This is Chi, and I'm out.